Hi, boys and girls. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on listening to the beginning sound in words, not all by itself, but in a word. And so that's going to be requiring us to really listen to the sound that we hear at the beginning when we bounce on the word. So I'm going to go over the directions and tell you what you'll need. First, we're going to name the picture, each picture, and then we're going to bounce on the picture word and listen to the sound we hear and then write it in the missing line or in the blank space. So you will need to go get packet for January 4th through the 8th and find this page that matches. Okay, so we're ready to get started. So we name the picture. I call that fan. So I get ready and I bounce and I go fan. Bounce with me and say it with me because that's how you'll learn. Fan. 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 It's the letter F. If you said F, bing, 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 you are right. We're going to do little curve, big line, little line, letter F. Okay, we go to the next thing and we name the picture. It is a cylinder with a bowl and some vegetables. That would be the word can. Let's bounce on the word can. Are you ready? Can. 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 It's the letter C. That's right. We're going to take our pencil, little curve, letter C. We go to the next picture. Which one is it? It is a pan. Okay, are you ready? And pan, pan, pan. It's the letter P. Big line, little curve, letter P. This is a pig. Let's bounce on it. Ready? And pig, pig, pig. It's the letter P. Good job. Big line, frog hop, little curve. This is called a wig. Ready? Let's bounce on it. Wig, 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 wig. It's the letter W. We do little line, little line, little line, little line. Good job, boys and girls. You are hitting the bullseye. Now this boy has a shovel and he will dig. Okay, so ready? Here we go. Dig. Bounce with me and say the word. Dig. 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 It's the letter D. There's a quiet C in D. Okay, we move on, and this is a pen. Let's bounce on it again. Ready? And here we go. Pen. 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 It's the letter P. Big line, frog hop, little curve. We go here. It is true that it is a chicken, but when we bounce on it, the chicken is a girl, and so we're going to bounce on the girl name, which is hen. And it goes like this. Hen. 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 It's the letter that's H. Big line, frog hop to the middle, and little curve. The last one is 10. The number 10. Let's bounce together and say it together. 10. 10. 10. It's the letter T. T is correct. Big line, frog hop, little line, letter T. Boys and girls, you did a great job. Thanks for working so hard and doing your best. Have a great day. Bye.